You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, or these names. Really, the name of this American company. We'll be looking at how to say more brand names that too many mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Lockheed Martin is how it is said in the US. Martin being the American English pronunciation, you could say it as Martin also. But in American English, Lockheed Martin. Lockheed Martin. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.